In this video, we're going to look at selection using if and else statements in Scratch. So, to start, what actually is selection? Well, selection is making a decision in a program based on a specific condition. Let's take a look at an example of this in Scratch now. The selection block in Scratch looks like this. There are two sections to this block. First, we have the if section. This allows us to state a condition that we're looking for. Any blocks we put directly under this section will only be performed if this condition is met. Then we have the else section. If the if condition is not met, any instructions under the else section will be performed. Before we move on, to find this block, you go to the Control tab. It's the fifth one down. Remember, there are two if blocks. You want the one that has if and else. Alright, let's now see how this is used. Here's an example of code blocks that make use of selection. In this program, we ask the user if it's raining outside. We then wait for their response. And if they say yes, Scratch will tell the user to take an umbrella. Scratch will tell the user they don't need to take the umbrella if they don't say yes. Try out this program in Scratch. Pause the video here to give yourself time to do this. And that's everything you need to know about selection with if and else in Scratch.